Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to put an iron-on design onto a plain t-shirt. We've got our Cricut cutting machine behind me, Cricut Easy Press Mini, Easy Press Mat, Cutting Mat, Cricut Mat, iron-on material, and we're ready to go. Today we're using the Cricut design software. I've already selected a design and resized it to fit our shirt. Because we're using iron-on material, we need to make sure our mirror is turned on so the adhesive will be against the shirt. We've selected our machine, now we need to select our material. Today we're using Sportflex iron-on because it's nice and stretchy. We've checked our pressure, checked our tools, and now we're ready to cut. I've sped the video up a lot, but basically the Cricut machine interfaces with the computer and cuts out the design you saw on the screen. Now we weed the material and remove everything that's not part of the final design. We heated out wrinkles, aligned our design, and used the Easy Press Mini to distribute even heat and pressure to the front and back of the material. Wait for the design to cool, peel the carry sheet, and you're done!